The business and financial world is constantly changing. You need to keep up with these frequent changes. But who can you rely on and trust to help you ensure that you are always one step ahead? Welcome to the pinnacle of corporate law, escrow, paymaster and fiduciary services. Welcome to the Europlaw Group. Who are we? The Europlaw Group, with operative headquarters in South Africa, is an internationally based boutique legal consultancy and transaction company. We also have offices in London, Los Angeles, Dubai and Mauritius. The Europlaw Group focuses on the following key aspects: implementation of capital market, escrow agent, paymaster, project funding, monetization and merger and acquisitions transactions. We do this for medium-sized and larger firms. The group's core strategy is based on a partnership concept through which experts from the fields of legal advice, asset management, paymaster, escrow services, fiduciary, audit and tax advice deliver their services. There is a worldwide team of dedicated professionals at the disposal of our clients. There are not many businesses that are as challenging as the world of bank guarantees, bonds, platform trading and project funding. We at the Europlaw Group know this, and that is why we have created vehicles to best suit our international clients' needs. An example being our offshore trusts. We are proud to say that the Europlaw Group is a member of the International Association of Lawyers. As a holding company, we grow constantly by adding new professional partners in new locations worldwide. The Europlaw Group is also active in the following areas: project funding, raising capital, market funding transactions to monetize, financial instruments, discount investors, asset market listed companies in the area of capital increases, private placements and blocking of transactions. Transactions are managed and implemented by the group itself. Investments are made primarily in small and medium stock market listed companies. Innovative private companies can also be financed at certain stages of their growth, for example in the preparation for a planned IPO. The Europlaw Group boutique consulting concept is unique. The focus of consulting projects is not a completely new strategy or method. The central focus creates a specific, desired and actionable transaction. We do not ask what possible theoretical objectives can be achieved through various strategies, but rather what strategy and tactic must be developed to implement a concrete entrepreneurial goal. Europlaw Consulting also goes one important step further. Not only do we develop a new or modified strategy, we also deliver and coordinate on this basis the concept and the practical implementation of our clients. The senior partners of the group are experts in the international world of finance, as they actively experience and shape it themselves. Their expertise ranges from the perspective of operating entrepreneurs, as well as from the perspective of investors and experienced transaction experts. A fiduciary is a legal or ethical relationship of trust between two or more parties. In a fiduciary relationship, one person in a position of vulnerability justifiably vests confidence, good faith, reliance and trust in another whose aid, advice or protection is sought in some matter. In such a relationship, good conscience requires the fiduciary to act for the sole benefit and interest of the one whom has vested confidence at all times. Escrow means something of value that is put into the custody of a third person by either its owner, a grantor, an obligor or a promisor, to be retained until the occurrence of a contingency or performance of a condition. An escrow also refers to a writing which is deposited with someone until the performance of an act or the occurrence of an event which was specified in that writing. The directions given to the person who accepts delivery of the document are called the escrow agreement, and this is a binding agreement between the person who promises and the person to whom the promise is made. As your paymaster, we serve as a neutral third party to disburse commissions for large transactions of currencies, bank guarantees, MTNs, gold, oil, gas, platinum, T-strips or other instruments. Your commission will be securely deposited into the firm's escrow account and then disbursed without delay. This will be done in exact accordance with the contract terms. Unlike many other firms, we also maintain a separate euro currency account. This means that you won't be charged any unnecessary currency conversion fees when your commissions are received and distributed in euro. Whatever your focus is, or whichever industry you work in, the lawyers at the full-service law firm Europlaw will advise you regarding every aspect of business law. Legal advice is a matter of trust. We don't simply ask our clients to trust in the quality of the service as well as the integrity of the staff and the partners. We invite you to gain this trust through successfully implemented projects and transactions. At Europlaw, our philosophy is to develop and organize strategic corporate and capital transactions for our international clients and investors.